Welcome to iTutor IAS Academy. Today's topic of discussion is impeachment of judges. Why in news? Recently, an impeachment motion was considered against a sitting judge of the Allahabad High Court following his controversial remarks at an event. Let us now discuss how the judge is removed from his office in India. Under Article 124, a judge of the Supreme Court and under Article 217, a judge of the High Court can be removed from his office by an order of the President. The President can issue the removal order after an address by the Parliament. The motion to remove the judge must be supported by a special majority of each House of the Parliament. What is a special majority? A special majority is a majority of the total membership of that House and a majority of at least 2/3 of the members of that House presenting and voting. Ground for impeachment. The grounds for impeachment are explicitly limited to proved misbehavior and incapacity. Here, please remember that the misbehavior or incapacity is not defined in the Constitution. Under Article 124, Clause 5, it is left to the Parliament to make law to regulate the procedure for presentation of an address and for investigation of the misbehavior and incapacity of a judge. The procedure for removal of judges is elaborated in the Judges Inquiry Act 1968. At least 100 members' signature in Lok Sabha or 50 members in Rajya Sabha. This motion is then submitted to the Speaker in Lok Sabha or the Chairman in Rajya Sabha. Based on this, he or she may decide to either admit the motion or refuse. If the motion is admitted, a 3-member committee is constituted by the presiding officer. The committee includes the Chief Justice of India or a Supreme Court judge, a High Court Chief Justice, a distinguished jurist nominated by the Speaker or Chairman. The committee then investigates the allegation and frames charges against the judge. If the judge is found guilty, the report is submitted and takes up for debate in the House where the motion is originated. And if found not guilty, the process ends. History of removal of judges. There were many instances of impeachment motions initiated in the Parliament, but so far, no judges have been impeached in the country. Now let's see a previous year UPSC mains question. Constitutional morality is rooted in the Constitution itself and is founded on its essential facets. Explain the doctrine of constitutional morality with the help of relevant judicial decisions. Thank you for watching. For more related contents, do like, share and subscribe to our channel iTutor IAS Academy.